Rocky's stuck. Rocky is stuck in Charlie Schwab's bed. He'll have to sleep here tonight.
I'll get some lotion.
How is it stuck? I don't understand. Can we pull the metal thing?
Hang on,
No.
you're gonna smell like Kevin tonight. Wait, no. Can you lift your...
Oh my god.
Okay, now push it down. No, wait, don't push it down anymore. That's such a bad idea. I'm sorry, that was a bad idea. Okay.
This is so funny.
Oh! Oh my god! Sounds like you're like crying.
Sorry. Oh my god.
Oh my! I can't move the metal. The metal's not moving. Okay. Okay, I'm pulling the wood. Oh! Oh, it works. Oh! Ow! 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 Oh!
Should I help? Should I get him and help?
Ow! Oh my god. Okay, wait.
Do you need some help?
I don't know what to do. Can you get back on the bed?
Should I?
Yeah.
This is all on film, by the way.
Okay, wait. Sorry, I'm like on film.
You're fine. You're fine.
Okay.
You're hot.
Okay. Oh, ow.
I'm sorry.
Fuck.
Oh my god.
Whoa! Is it red? Yay!
I just bent